Today's video I am going to explain you how you can cancel the authorization of a specific broker from specific port. Assalamualaikum. In my today's video I am going to explain how you can cancel the authorization. For some reason, if you want to know which port of Saudi Arabia like King Abdulaziz port or any other seaport airport you have made authorization before, and you want to cancel that specific broker from that website, from that port. Let's suppose you have made a broker 5 months before, somebody you authorized for 1 year, and now you are not willing to again work with them, or maybe you are thinking that that is useless on your system. You don't want to authorize that broker and you want to cancel the authorization. I'm going to show you how you can do it. Let's check it out. Okay, so now once login, I got this message from my side. Let me just clear this Tahud option. Okay, click on submit. Once it's done, then okay, my side it's already been submitted. So now we'll go to for authorization section because we need to cancel our authorization. Let me just click on this. To search, you will go to the authorization section and you will click on, you can search bonded and normal as well. Here it will show you if you have any authorization made to any broker name. Let it search. Okay, so now it shows that there is one authorization which is active. I want to cancel it. I'll just one is already expired, the first one, and the second one is active. So I'll click on cancel and I'll click on yes. So it will cancel the authorization. Now this specific broker don't have any authorization on this specific port. Let me do one more time to the other port so you can learn it. You are in the menu of authorizations. It's taking a bit longer than normal. Usually it's done very fast, but sometimes PC got slack, internet connectivity or things like that. So now authorization cancelled successfully. I'll write another port, King Abdulaziz International Airport Customs. I'll see show delegates and then it will show me if I have any authorization. It will search. Okay, so it says I had one, but it was already expired, so I don't need to cancel it. These are the main ports of Saudi Arabia. If you want to know what are the main ports, you can just search these ports. Most 90% of the shipments coming to these ports. So this Riyadh dry port, you can see my authorization already expired, so I don't need to cancel it because it is already been expired. Next is King Abdulaziz is the mom, and now you can see I have one authorization in the mom seaport, which three are already expired. Only one is available. I want to cancel it. I'll just click on cancel authorization and click on yes. Okay, this part is a little bit tricky. If you don't know the name of any port, people ask me how we can find out. You can just search on Google and Google will give you the name. You can write anything on Google and it will give you the name of that. Let me search for Riyadh airport. So it says it's King Abdulaziz. Whatever thing you want to search, you will just write the name and it will show you. I want to search Riyadh airport, so I search internet. It says King Khalid International Airport, and now I can find out the port here on my Saudi Customs. Here it says I have one authorization active on King Khalid as well. It's very simple and normal and easy. I hope this 3-4 times I have tried it, so it is easy and understandable for everybody. Thank you for watching. I hope this process was very easy and simple, and if you still don't understand anything, you are most welcome to message me anytime. My contact number is already given on the group and places. You can contact me anytime, and If you need any support in terms of custom clearance in any Saudi Arabia port, or you want door-to-door freight services, we are picking up shipments from all over the world and bringing it to Saudi Arabia. We are helping many companies and we are bringing door-to-door solutions for them. Also, if anybody wants to export shipment from Saudi Arabia to anywhere in the world, we are helping those companies as well. We are picking up from their warehouses in Saudi Arabia and we are delivering it to China, Europe, USA, UK, India, Pakistan, many places in the world. Thank you.